In today's video, I'll show you how to save your Weebly website without publishing it. This is perfect when you want to update your text, images, or layout, but aren't ready for your changes to go live. Let's make this quick and easy. Start by logging into your Weebly account and opening the website you want to edit. Once you're inside the editor, you can make any changes you like. Adjust your layout, replace images, rewrite sections, or move elements around. The important part here is that none of these changes will publish on your live website unless you choose to. As you edit, press the Done button whenever you finish adjusting an element. This ensures that Weebly saves that specific change inside the editor. Weebly also includes an autosave feature, so as you work, you will see a small autosave message appear near the undo and redo buttons. This means your progress is being saved privately in the background while your live website remains unchanged. You can safely close the editor at any point, and all your updates will still be there the next time you log in, unopened by the public and completely unpublished. It's the perfect way to prepare your site over time without any pressure. And that's all you need to do. Weebly lets you save everything behind the scenes until you're absolutely ready to hit publish. Take your time, refine your content, and go live only when it feels right. Thanks for watching, and check out our other guides for more simple tutorials.